Whatever that you avoid, it's exactly showing you your shadow that's waiting for you to embrace so that it can unleash your hidden potential that's waiting for you to unfold, to emerge and show up as you in this 3D reality you call life. You might often heard, especially on this channel, that everything that you need, everything that you ever wanted in your life, ever desire, is already yours. You just forgot that it's already yours because here you are, came here to experience this 3D reality as you, to experience how it is to live without all of your desire so that you can remember that it's already yours. The journey of remembering is what this episode is all about, to help you transcend your illusion of limitation and separation so you can live the life you've always known you deserve to experience in this lifetime. Hello Quantum Voyagers, universal, marvelous being. Welcome back to this channel with me, Cindy Acho, where we share about consciousness, vibration, energy, soul, magic, and all literature from all fields that guide you. Remember thyself, so all that's meant for you will show up as you. And if you're new to this channel, you're so welcome to join more of 100 Candid Spirits or Resonance that already joined the Words of Influence community on Facebook to nourish your soul on daily basis and maintain your high vibration so that you can keep up living your fullest as your authentic self in your highest timeline. That's fantastic. We've been living for years in this lifetime, but have you ever pause for a moment to really recognize what exactly makes you truly fulfilled inside and radiated outside? Is it surrounded by your beloved ones, or maybe is it something that you accomplished or achieved? The part of you that you keep avoiding is exactly the gateway of the freedom you are looking for. Everything that might seem paradox is actually the fractals of reality. To experience your light, sometimes you need to face or transcend or alchemize your darkness so that you can get to the point of your lighter or brighter self. To experience abundance, sometimes you need to experience what it is to be enough. To feel rich, sometimes you need to first learn or master what it is to experience the limitation, because the fun part of the game lies in the journey of getting it back to you. So let's checking on yourself. Ask yourself what exactly you're avoiding at this point and what it is exactly that you've been afraid of. Maybe you're afraid of falling, afraid of taking risks, afraid of being seen. And after you recognize what it is that you avoid, ask yourself, what would my higher self be at this point? Because once you're inspired by your higher self, you naturally channel all the energy your higher self already embodied. That's why sometimes when you think you don't have any option left and you stay trust in your faith, sometimes out of nowhere that strength, the intuitive decision just show up as you. Something that you don't realize that version of you exists in you, right? That's because the moment you give up, release your egoic control, and you allow the higher power, the higher force to okay, now it's your turn to flow through me wherever the case I meant to experience to be. That's the moment you channel your higher self flows through you fluidly, because you empty yourself with your persona, with your self-identity, so that you become nothing again. You turn yourself into the void as the empty glass. The life force energy from your higher self can flow through you easily. That's what it means to be abundant in being enough. Turn the perspective into what exactly I can learn from this limitation, from this separation, And what if I see all of this limitation and separation from the lens of unity, from the lens of wholeness, from the lens of my higher self? What my higher self would be, would do, would make decision from this experience, from that point of view. And in that way, you make your quantum shift. Because in any given moment, we always experiencing that quantum shift, conscious or unconsciously. But once you allow your higher self to animate as you allow that quantum shift happen consciously. Pay attention to your experience in life, what exactly that you keep attracting, that you don't like, or the opposites of what you really want, because it shows you exactly the shadow you need to work on yourself. Whatever that you avoid on the outside is showing you the part of you you need to embrace, to turn it so you can unfold that alchemized version of you from the deep dark shadow in the light, or the version of you that may be wiser, more mature, more fun, more easier, lighter, simpler, happier, fulfilled, radiant, bolder, more authentic, whatever the version of you that you long to experience in this lifetime. Pay attention to that, because whatever that you avoid is exactly showing you your shadow is waiting for you to embrace, so that it can unleash your hidden potential that's waiting for you to unfold, to emerge and show up as you in this 3D reality you call life. And if you need to work on your shadow, I already have a video about shadow work before. And if you want to apply it, master how to integrate your shadow even further, but you confused where to start, what to do, especially at unconscious level where you don't even know that part of you exists because it already buried deep rooted as your unconscious beliefs that you don't even know it exists in you, and you've been conditioned for such a long period of generations, even because it deeply inherent from generation to generation. Or maybe you want to know where it starts from and how to end it in your generation, because you don't want to project it more and more into your beloved ones and end this cycle, so you can see them as they are, love them as they are, and experience the love that is so beautiful that you know you truly deserve. Through my Become Vibrational Masterclass, in there I facilitate your shadow work, especially at subconscious level. We're gonna reprogram what it is you're exactly going on deep underneath you, and master how to alchemize your limitation to turn it into your diamond, allowing your higher self to flow easily as you. So how long it takes for you to remember that self? If you can speed it up so that you can spend the rest of your life experiencing the love that you truly deserve, the love that you know you're able to experience, and allow others to experience it from you, then isn't it the faster the better? I think so. And I'm so grateful that after all the healing process that I've been through, it's exactly helped me have a better relationship with my family. I even attract my resonance, you can see in the Words of Influence community, and I can show up here connecting with you with so pure, genuine connection, serving your highest good. What a blessing to experience in this lifetime. And because I know how good it feels, that's why I also invite you to experiencing this state of consciousness, because here we are experiencing the universe and express our first. So what's the first you're experiencing and expressing in this lifetime? I hope you enjoy these episodes and get something from it as much as I enjoy creating this episode. See you again in upcoming episodes, and share in a comment down below what exactly you feel called to transcend from the limitation and separation you're currently experiencing, and what would your higher self be at this point. We're all in this voyage together in a different ship we call as life that's heading back home. I'm Cindy Acho. What an honor to get to be here with you in this lifetime. Enjoy your voyage as you remember thyself. I wish you all you are meant to be in this lifetime. Love you.